I think this is going to be a special feeding. Come on, guys. That's nutsy. He has to do 3 passes before he gets comfortable. Come on, there you go. To the mouse. Come on, Nuts. Come on, Nuts. Come on, Nuts. Get my trifecta. Come on, buddy. Here you go. There you go. No? Not all right. Come on, Nutsy. There you go, buddy. You got it. How about you, Fagin? I'm trying to get more nuthatches involved. Hey, look who it is. It's Bubbles. Hey, Bubbles. I got some seeds for you, Bubbles. So that was the initial feeding. Now I'm going to put some seeds out for them that they could eat them over there. We're at on top of the swing set. Oop, another nuthatch is coming in. Come on, buddy. Come on, Nuts. Oh. I blame a lot of that. Good job, buddy. On talking and the phone. Yeah, this was a good feeding. Very good feeding. Come on, guys. Somebody's got to make it. Come on. Baboosh. Whoa. Buzzed me. Buzzed my face. Mouse coming. Come on, buddy. He's a hopper. He hops from that limb onto my hand. He does the same thing every time. Come on, Nuts. Come on, buddy. He's up in the apple tree. He likes to come in from a distance. Actually, he loves to come in from up high. I call it nut diving. Nut diving. Come on, guys. There you go. There you go. Yes. All right. Good ending. Nice trifecta. Okay, Bubbles, now I'm going to come down and feed you.